Hi, Devon. I want to say in reply to your video that I do agree with you that she did pull some interesting facts out. Hey, inside voices, okay? Hold on 1 second. Hi, Devon. I just wanted to say in regards to your video that I do agree with you that she did pull out some really good points that you never really think about with language. In my video, I had shared about how just a simple fact that other countries other countries have like different meanings for or many different words for one thing. Like I believe she said the color blue. So like in Russia, she had made the point that okay, well they have shades for the lighter colors and the darker color, and here in the United States, or maybe even in any other English language, I'm not quite sure, but we just say blue. Like any variants of that color, we just say blue. I also have to agree with you that I do also like a good TED Talk. I only really watch them like through my psychology classes, but I think I want to get into them more, especially because there's so many of them, and you can learn so many different things.